The battlefield is undergoing a profound transformation with the rise of unmanned systems. From aerial drones to autonomous vehicles, these technologies are rapidly changing warfare. Russia, with its history of military innovation, leads this revolution, particularly with kamikaze ground drones. These unmanned vehicles offer unique capabilities and challenge traditional military doctrines. Russia's military modernization has driven substantial investments in advanced weaponry, including unmanned systems. Kamikaze ground drones, or loitering munitions, aim to provide Russia with an asymmetric battlefield advantage. These drones loiter over the battlefield, striking targets with precision, representing a leap in military technology. Their autonomous operation reduces risk to soldiers and offers a tactical advantage, especially in urban warfare. Kamikaze ground drones operate at ground level, navigating complex terrain and engaging targets with lethal force. Equipped with explosives and sensors, they identify and attack enemy vehicles, fortifications, and personnel. Their loitering capability makes them effective against hidden or heavily defended targets. The introduction of these drones marks a significant shift in military tactics. Their low cost allows for large-scale deployment, potentially overwhelming enemy defenses. This swarming capability challenges conventional forces, requiring new strategies to counter. Their autonomous nature reduces the need for human operators, freeing up personnel for other tasks. The strategic implications extend beyond tactics, instilling fear and uncertainty in enemy forces. Russia's kamikaze ground drones blend advanced technologies for autonomous operation and precision strikes. Sensors and onboard computers identify and track targets, while navigation systems guide the drones. Some drones operate fully autonomously, while others need human intervention for target confirmation. AI algorithms enhance these drones' capabilities, reducing the need for human input. The use of autonomous weapons raises ethical and legal concerns about accountability and unintended consequences. International dialogue is essential to establish guidelines and prevent an uncontrolled arms race. Russia's kamikaze ground drones are part of a global trend towards unmanned systems in warfare. Countries worldwide are investing in drone technology, recognizing its potential to revolutionize military operations. The proliferation of drones is reshaping the battlefield, prompting a reassessment of military doctrines. The global race for drone dominance includes developing counter-drone technology. Nations are investing in electronic warfare systems and directed energy weapons to counter drones. This new arms race is rapidly evolving, with nations seeking an edge in drone technology. The rise of kamikaze ground drones presents a significant challenge for traditional military forces. Their small size and ability to operate in complex environments make them difficult to detect and track. Advanced electronic warfare systems can jam drone communication and navigation, disabling them. Directed energy weapons like lasers offer a precise means of destroying drones. AI and machine learning enhance drone detection and tracking, enabling faster responses. Soldiers must be trained to operate in environments with drones, learning to identify and engage them. Integrating unmanned systems requires a shift in mindset and embracing new technologies. The deployment of kamikaze ground drones signals a profound shift in warfare. As these technologies advance, they will shape military strategies and doctrines for decades. The increasing autonomy of these systems raises complex ethical and legal questions. The rise of drone warfare has implications beyond the battlefield, including potential misuse by non-state actors. The affordability and accessibility of drones highlight the need for robust export controls. The future of warfare will involve a balance between technological innovation and ethical considerations. International dialogue and cooperation are essential to navigate the challenges of this new era of warfare.